Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be superhero themed cake. I already started on some details. I'm gonna make a cake. The whole cake itself will be wrapped and all the details will be made with satin ice fondant. And just most of the things will be free-handed by me. Alright, so let's go get to it. Alright guys, so here's the finished cake. If you like the full version, how I make the cake, how I make the hammer and the Hulk hands protruding from the cake, go ahead and become a member on my channel. Go ahead, subscribe to it. There's a subscription fee. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box so you can go do that, and I'm also gonna leave a link for the full video as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.